guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add transitions in InShot, making your videos smooth and professional looking. Let's get started step by step. First, open the InShot app on your phone. Make sure the app loads completely so you can access your projects. Once the home screen opens, we're ready to select the video. On the main screen, you'll see several options like video and photos. Tap on video to start editing a new video. This will allow you to select the video you want to trim and add transitions to. Now, choose the video that you want to edit or trim. Once selected, it will open an InShot's timeline view. This is where we can start applying effects and transitions. Click on the video timeline and move it to the point where you want to split the video. This is important because transitions are added between two video clips. Drag carefully to the exact spot for a smooth effect. Now look at the top of the screen where multiple editing options appear. Swipe through these options until you see Split. Tap Split to divide your video into two parts. After splitting, a small white box will appear between the two clips. This is where you can add a transition effect. Tap it and select your favorite transition to make the cut smoother. Once your transition is added, tap the check mark to confirm it. Then, go to the top right corner and tap Save to export your video. And just like that, your video now has smooth transitions in InShot. So that's how you can easily add transitions in InShot to make your videos more professional and engaging. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Also, comment below if you want more quick and easy video editing tutorials. See you in the next video.